Welcome to this geometry tutorial on regular polygons. Today, we are going to learn a very simple yet powerful formula to find the exterior angle of any regular polygon. The formula is 360 degrees divided by n. First, let us define what we mean by a regular polygon. A polygon is considered regular when it meets two specific conditions. First, all of its sides must be exactly the same length. Second, all of its interior angles must be equal in measure. Common examples include the equilateral triangle, the square, and the regular pentagon. Now, what exactly is an exterior angle? It is the angle formed between one side of the polygon and the extension of the adjacent side. It is important to note that the interior angle and the exterior angle at any vertex add up to 180 degrees, forming a straight line. Here is the key concept. No matter how many sides a polygon has, the sum of all its exterior angles is always 360 degrees. Imagine walking around the perimeter of the polygon. By the time you return to the start, you have made one complete turn, which is 360 degrees. Since a regular polygon has equal sides and equal angles, all its exterior angles are also equal. Because the total sum is 360 degrees, we can find the measure of just one exterior angle by dividing 360 by n, where n represents the number of sides. Let us look at our first example, the equilateral triangle. A triangle has three sides, so n equals 3. Using our formula, we divide 360 degrees by 3. This gives us an exterior angle of 120 degrees. Next, consider a square. A square has 4 sides, so n equals 4. We calculate 360 degrees divided by 4. The result is 90 degrees. As you can see, the exterior angle of a square is a right angle. For our third example, let us take a regular hexagon, which has 6 sides. Here, n equals 6. We divide 360 degrees by 6, resulting in an exterior angle of 60 degrees. We can also use this relationship in reverse. If you are given the measure of an exterior angle and asked to find the number of sides, simply divide 360 degrees by the exterior angle. For instance, if the exterior angle is 45 degrees, dividing 360 by 45 tells us the polygon has 8 sides, making it an octagon. To summarize, remember that regular polygons have equal sides and angles. The sum of exterior angles is always 360 degrees. To find a single exterior angle, divide 360 by the number of sides. To find the number of sides, divide 360 by the exterior angle. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.